tryna get the man's out.
What is good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel here at Franky Collects. I hope everyone is having a blessed day today. In today's video, I have an unboxing from the Adidas app. But like I said, we'll say this a little bit during the video. But before we actually get into this video, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. We are on the road to 4,000 subscribers, so I appreciate all the love and support you guys been giving me. We are really close. I know I've been posting like once a week, but I've been super busy, so bear with me, guys. More content will be on the way, so make sure you guys stay tuned, because I do have an early look of the Yeezy 350 V2 AZARETH that is set to release next month, which is in September. There is not a confirmed release date yet, so make sure you guys stay tuned and make sure you guys hit the bell button below to be notified when all my videos do go up. I do want to talk about the Yeezy 700 V3 AZARETH that is set to release this Saturday. As you guys know, Adidas has brought back the Adidas Confirmed app. So if you guys want to enter the raffle for the Yeezy 700 V3 AZARETH, that is the only way you could enter the raffle, through the Adidas Confirmed app. So not the Adidas app. Adidas app and the Adidas Confirmed app is two different things. Whenever you guys do download the Adidas Confirmed app, you could still use the same account you use with the actual Adidas app, so you guys don't lose any points and whatnot on your account. So make sure you use the same information. You can use the same email and your same password that you log in on the Adidas app on the Adidas Confirmed app. So if you guys want to enter that raffle for the 700 V3s AZARETH, make sure you guys download the Adidas Confirmed app right now. And these 700 V3s are going to be very limited. That's what I'm hearing. Like I said, they will be releasing on Yeezy supplies and as well as the Adidas Confirmed app that I did mention. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. As you guys know, last week Saturday, the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Israfils colorway did release, and I feel like a lot of people weren't really feeling this colorway, and I don't blame them, because honestly I wanted to give this sneaker a chance and see these in hand to honestly change my mind. As you guys know, Adidas has been coming out with a lot of 350 V2s, so at this point I feel like it's just a pick and choose. So let's go ahead and see if this will change my mind with this sneaker. I'm not sure if I'm feeling. Okay, so with this shoe, as you guys can see, I did talk about the AZARETHs, how they have the new lacing system. Moving forward with the 350 V2s, it seems like Adidas is going with this new lacing system. Let me know in the comment section how you guys feel about the new lacing system. But yeah, so they do come with an extra laces, so if you guys are not feeling this new lacing system that Adidas put, the only way to remove this is to pretty much cut it. I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's the only way to remove the lacing system, is to cut it. So I'm pretty sure that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these, because I'm not sure if I'm really feeling these. If I would rate this 0 to 10, I'd give it a solid 6.5, just because I love 350 V2s. They're really comfortable, but I'm not sure if I'm really feeling this colorway. I thought it was more of a gray, but it's more of like a green, bluish green. I'm not sure how to describe that color, but you guys let me know in the comment section if you guys are feeling this sneaker right here. I do have, like I said, man, I do have these AZARETHs that are set to release in September. I think this is probably the next hype 350 V2 in my opinion. Do not sleep on black Yeezys. It seems like a lot of people like all black Yeezys, but as you guys can see, this one is not all black, because the midsole and the sole is more of a cream tan yellowish look. I wish they honestly blacked this out, but like I said, I'll have a full review on this sneaker, so make sure you guys stay tuned. That is pretty much it for the video. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys smash that like button. It really means a lot and helps the channel grow. And I appreciate all the love and support you guys been giving me on Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. All those links will be down below in the description box. This is pretty much it for the video. This is Franky Collects. Make sure you guys wash your hands, stay healthy, stay blessed out there. See you in the next video. Peace.
I got their hands out, wonder why their hands on me. Girlie, why you tripping, why you tryna get the man's out?